Hello students, in last video we have covered practice set 2.2 question number 1, 2 and 3. Now in this video we are going to cover practice set 2.2 question number 4 and 5. 4 and 5, these two questions are based on Apollonius theorem and application of Pythagoras theorem. Question number 4, that is based on Apollonius theorem, and question number 5, that can be solved both by application of Pythagoras theorem and by Pythagoras theorem. We have already studied Apollonius theorem. Let's recall what is that Apollonius theorem. Apollonius theorem establishes the relation between the sides and median of the triangle. Here triangle ABC is given. In triangle ABC, P is the midpoint of BC, that means AP is the median. Then we can write that AB square plus AC square is equal to twice AP square plus twice BP square. This result is known as Apollonius theorem. And application of Pythagoras theorem, we can apply Pythagoras theorem for both acute angle triangle also and for obtuse angle triangle also. In question number 5, we are going to use that application of Pythagoras theorem for acute angle triangle. Here in diagram we can see triangle ABC. In that triangle ABC, AD is perpendicular to BC and angle P is taken as acute angle. Then the side which is opposite to that acute angle, here it is side AC. So AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square minus twice BC into BD. This way we can apply Pythagoras theorem. Practice set 2.2, question number 4. In triangle ABC, point M is the midpoint of side BC if AB square plus AC square is equal to 290 cm square, AM is equal to 8, then find BC. Okay. So first draw diagram in triangle ABC. So we have to draw triangle ABC. This is triangle ABC. In triangle ABC, point M is the midpoint of BC. This is point M, that is the midpoint of BC. AB square plus AC square is given 290 and AM is 8 cm. Find BC. Here we can apply Apollonius theorem. We know that for applying Apollonius theorem we require a triangle and its median. Then we can apply Apollonius theorem. Here in triangle ABC, segment AM is the median. Okay. So first we will write that solution in triangle ABC, segment AM is the median. Therefore, AB square plus AC square is equal to 2AM square plus 2BM square. This is by Apollonius theorem. Now substitute values. AB square plus AC square, this together is given 290 cm square. 2 AM is given 8 cm, so square of 8 plus twice BM square. We have to find out BC. Okay. Here from here we will get BM. Now 290 is equal to, we can take 2 common, in bracket square of 8 is 64 plus bm square. So 290 we can divide by this 2, 64 plus bm square. 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10. It's 245. 64 is equal to 64 plus bm square. Now 64 to left hand side, it will go in subtraction. So 145 minus 64 is equal to bm square. Therefore bm square is equal to 145 minus 64, that is equal to 81. Therefore bm is equal to 9. 9 is the square of 81. This is taking square root of both sides. Okay. Here bm, m is given midpoint of bc. That means bc is double of bm. So bm is equal to half of bc, because m is the midpoint of segment or side bc. bm is 9, therefore 9 is equal to 1 by 2 into bc. Therefore bc is equal to 9 2s are 18 centimeter, and we have to find that only. BC is equal to 18 centimeter. This is our answer. Question number 5. In figure, point T is in the interior of rectangle PQRS. Then we have to prove that TS square plus TQ square is equal to TP square plus TR square. Now first write down given part. Quadrilateral PQRS is a rectangle. Point T is in the interior of rectangle. Then to prove TS square plus TQ square is equal to TP square plus TR square. For this proof, we have to do construction. For that, we have drawn side segment AB, which is parallel to side SR, and segment AB we have drawn such that point T lies between A and B. Okay. Now we can prove this by two methods. First, we can prove this by using application of Pythagoras theorem. So first we will prove it by application of Pythagoras theorem. Here quadrilateral PQRS is rectangle. This is given. As it is a rectangle, therefore we can write that PS is equal to QR. Number it as 1, and PQ parallel to SR. Number it as 2. What is the reason for these two? They are the opposite sides of rectangle. Opposite sides of rectangle. And also we can write angle ASR. This is angle ASR. This angle is equal to angle BRS. Both the angles are 90 degree. Number it as 3 because they are the angles of rectangle. Angles of rectangle. Now segment AB we have taken parallel to SR. This is our construction. Okay, so we will write that segment AB parallel to side SR, number it as 4, reason construction. Now see, first, second and 4, PQ parallel to SR, second and 4, PQ parallel to SR and AB parallel to SR. So from second and 4 we can write PQ parallel to AB parallel to SR. Okay, PQ parallel to AB parallel to SR. All three lines are parallel. Therefore we can write angle APQ, this angle APQ and angle SAB, both are corresponding angle. APQ and SAB both are congruent. Why? Because they are corresponding angle, but angle P is angle of rectangle, that is 90 degree. Therefore APQ is equal to SAB is equal to 90 degree. Reason, corresponding angles. Similarly, we can prove that angle RBA also 90 degree. Number it as 6. Therefore ASRB, all the angles are 90 degree, therefore ASRB is also a rectangle. Quadrilateral ASRB is a rectangle. This is from 3, 5 and 6. Therefore we can write AS equal to BR. Why? Because they are the opposite side of rectangle. Number it as 8. This is 7. This one is 7. This is 8. Reason, opposite side of rectangle. Okay. Now in triangle TPS, now consider this triangle TPS. TPS. Okay. In that triangle TPS, angle S is a acute angle. Okay. First we will write, consider triangle TPS, comma, angle S. In that angle SAB is equal to 90 degree. Why? From 5. Okay. See, 90 degree. Therefore, TA perpendicular to PS. Now, we can apply Pythagoras theorem. So, by application of Pythagoras theorem, okay, angle S is acute angle, so we will apply Pythagoras theorem here. The side which is opposite to that acute angle is side TP. So TP square is equal to TS square plus PS square minus AS into PS. Okay, so we'll write that by application of Pythagoras theorem, TP square is equal to PS square plus TS square minus 2AS into PS. We'll number it as 9. Okay, now in triangle, now consider triangle TQR, this side, this triangle TQR. Okay, TQR, again angle ABR is equal to 90 degree. This is from 6. Okay, RBA 90 degree from 6, and AB perpendicular to QR. Therefore, AB perpendicular to QR. Therefore, by application of Pythagoras theorem, okay, here we will consider angle R as acute angle. Then by application of Pythagoras theorem, the side which is opposite to that acute angle is side TQ. So TQ square is equal to TR square plus QR square minus 2BR into QR. Number it as 10. Okay. Now, wherever QR is there, see, from first one, wherever QR is there, we can substitute as PS. Okay. And wherever BR is there, we can substitute as AS. Okay. First and 8. So from first and 8, keep it like this. So from first and 8, TQ square is equal to TR square plus QR can be substituted as PS square minus BR can be substituted as AS and QR as PS. Okay. Number it as 11. Now subtracting 9 from 11. Subtracting 9 from 11. Okay. we will get TQ square minus TP square is equal to TR square plus PS square minus 2AS into PS minus TQ square minus TP square is equal to TR square plus PS square minus 2AS into PS minus PS square plus TS square minus 2AS into PS. Now remove bracket. So when we remove the bracket here, minus TS, okay, PS square minus 2AS into PS. Now see, plus TS, this minus minus cancel, plus PS minus PS get cancel. So what will remain here? TR square minus TS square, and this side TQ square minus TP square. Okay. Now TQ square, bring TS to this side, so it will become positive, and TR square plus TP square, and this we have to prove. Hence it is proved. Now same example, question number 5. We can prove it by another way. For that we have to do construction. Draw diagonal PR and diagonal QS and let them intersect at point O and draw TO. Okay, let's write down this. Draw diagonal PR and QS and let them intersect at O. Draw segment TO. This is the construction. Then proof. Proof start from what is given part. We know that PQRS is a rectangle. This is given. For rectangle, diagonal PR is same as diagonal QS. Reason, diagonals of a rectangle are congruent. Okay, diagonal of rectangle are congruent. Then let's multiply both sides by 1/2. Okay, we get, okay, so multiply this both side 1/2. 1/2 PR is equal to 1/2 QS. Number it as 1. But we know that diagonal of rectangle, they intersect, they bisect each other. Therefore 1/2 PR, here O is the point of intersection. Therefore this is equal to OP, which is equal to OR. Number it as 2, and 1/2 QS is equal to OS, which is equal to OQ. Number it as 3. Okay, because diagonals of rectangle bisect each other. Okay, they bisect each other, therefore we can write OP is equal to OR is equal to OS is equal to OQ. This is from first, second and third, and we will number it as 4. Now consider triangle TQS. Triangle TQS. In this triangle, O is the midpoint of QS. Therefore, TQ is the median. Okay. In triangle TSQ, segment TO is the median. Okay. Therefore, by Apollonius theorem, by Apollonius theorem, we can write TS square plus TQ square is equal to twice TO square plus twice OQ square. Okay. Same way, now consider triangle PTR. In triangle PTR also, O is the midpoint of PR. That means TO is the median. In triangle PTR, segment TO is the median. Therefore, by Apollonius theorem, TP square plus TR square is equal to twice TO plus twice TO square plus twice OR square. Now from 4 we can write, see, this is 4 OR square, OR we can write it as OQ. So let's substitute TP square plus TR square twice TO square plus OR can be substituted as OQ square. This is from 4. Now see, this and this equation, both sides are same. 2TO square plus 2QO square, OQ square, here also 2TO square plus 2OQ square. Therefore, from number it as 5 and this one is as 6. So from 5 and 6 we can write TS square plus TQ square is equal to TP square plus TR square. Hence it is proved.